Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open Tally, Prime, and select a company within the Gateway of Tally menu. Start by verifying the financial year and enabling inventory and accounting features in F11 Company Features. This ensures stock management menus appear. Create or import a chart of accounts before adding a stock ledger. Plan stock groups and units now. Decide stock groups, units of measure, and valuation method, FIFO, LIFO, or average. Save these settings and back up the company file before proceeding to create individual stock items and ledgers. Create stock groups to categorize items and improve reporting. From Inventory Masters, choose Stock Group, press Create, give a clear name, and nest groups if needed for hierarchies. Define stock items with unit of measure and opening quantity and value. Enter the opening balance precisely in units and amount to maintain accurate valuation. Assign a tax classification and valuation method to each stock item, and link items to the appropriate stock group. Save each master and validate totals against your opening inventory schedule. Post purchases, sales, and stock journals to update stock ledgers in real time. Always record quantity, rate, and tax details on each transaction. Run stock summary and stock ledger reports regularly to reconcile quantities and values and compare report totals with the general ledger control accounts. Use physical stock reconciliation and adjust via stock journal for discrepancies by entering the counted quantity and adjustment reason. Archive monthly reports, maintain audit trails for each stock item, and set user access rights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.